What's up, everybody? Welcome to Witness Goodness. I'm Graham. If you haven't already, like and subscribe. Or you don't have to like this video yet because I haven't really shown you anything worth liking. Or have I? But do subscribe, because if you like building cabins, or maybe you don't know how, and you like watching people build cabins, then you're gonna love my channel, because I am currently in the middle of a cabin build. This is part 7 of the build video series, and we're coming along, and hopefully it will somewhat be protected before the snow comes. I do all this for you guys. I mean, yeah, I'm building a cabin for myself and whoever wants to come hang out with me in it, but I hope you guys are liking these videos. I'm having fun making them. So yeah, without further ado, let's get after it. Okay, because we got some bad weather coming, we're gonna try and get our rafters up. We don't have this wall up, but everything's flush and even and level and all the goodies. So we just did a practice bird's mouth cut. Never done those. This is gonna be a 4/12 pitch. So you got that here, that here. We just measured it up, or we just tested it out. You can hear my Canadiana in there, and now we're gonna use this as a template since it worked so well for all the rest. I mean, honestly, when we get a few done, we should probably just mount them.
Yep. Yeah, because you don't want to have tons sitting around here.
Okay. So I should be able to see. So what I do is I line up this side with my template, then I'll go down here and make sure it's flush down here. And all I do is mark it and move it on to the next one. You're always making sure your crowns are pointing the same way. In this case, they're definitely going to point towards the sky to eliminate any sagging in the roof. Uh-oh, this one came over a bit. Me and my dad did a bunch of work on this together, but it didn't record it all. We put up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Put up 9 of these at night. Pretty sweet. Perfect. Look at that. Like a glove. So we're gonna put a couple up on this wall first. That wall is way higher up, as you can see. So I don't want to have to go up there too many times. So I'm gonna set some boards up. This is actually not too bad. Alright guys, don't try this at home, okay? Whoopsies. Alright, so we did everything a little bit backwards by putting the trusses on top. We've had a ton of rain, and you know, I thought maybe I could beat it, which I couldn't. The rafters went up before all 4 walls did because I thought I could maybe put a tarp down or something and protect it, but so now we're gonna put the 3rd wall in just to give it a little more stability, but then I really do gotta put the roof sheathing on because more rain's coming. I'm gonna have more windows on this wall, but I still want to measure out my studs. So anything below or above windows will still have 16-inch centers. Okay, she's real tight. Nice and strong. Now I could be using nails, but I want this to be freaking tight. Freaking right. Looking good. All right, that tightened everything up. Do 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 do, do 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 do, do do do, ba da ba do, ba da bo. I don't know what's gonna happen here. I'm gonna trap myself in here. I'll never get out. It should be a live stream in case I die. That worked. Alright, okay. I'm stuck in here. Never to get out, ever again. See up here? I'm letting my my fascia board run wild because I still got to put the gable end on there. But I ran out of 16 footers. But anyhow, should be easier now that I have that. And then I'll just run my sheathing on that. And Bob's your uncle. I feel pretty. I feel pretty. I feel pretty and witty and gay. Thanks for watching, guys. I know that episode ended a little bit quick, but c'est la vie. Stick around for the next steps. Like and subscribe if you haven't already. Means a lot. Peace.